Did you know that 20th century novelists completely changed the way stories were written? In this video, you will discover why the modern novel transformed the English literature forever. Welcome to today's video, friends. This video is about the modern novel in English literature. The modern novel came into form in the early part of the 20th century. It developed especially between 1900 and 1945. The modern novel focused on the complexities of the human mind. It also focused on modern life and the effects of rapid social change. The modern novel is a work of fiction that doesn't have a straightforward plot. It lays stress on psychological depth of character and individual experience of the character. The narrative techniques in a modern novel is experimental in nature. Now we will look into the history of the modern novel. The modern novel developed after major events such as the Industrial Revolution, the First World War, scientific discoveries and technological progress, the decline of traditional religious and moral values. These changes made writers question old beliefs. In their novels, they began to explore the uncertainty of modern life. Now let us examine the characteristics of the modern novel. Psychological exploration, stream of consciousness, non-linear narrative, alienation and loneliness, realism, symbolism, open endings, and experimentation are all characteristics of the modern novel. Now, psychological exploration, what does that mean? It means that the modern writers focused on the thoughts, emotions, and inner conflicts of the characters in their novels. Stream of consciousness means that a novel presents a character's continuous flow of thoughts. Then the narrative style of the modern novel is non-linear. That means events may not be told in a chronological order. Then alienation and loneliness. The characters in the modern novel may often feel isolated from society. Realism. Modern novels explore everyday life and ordinary people. Then these novels have ample use of symbolism. Modern novelists used symbols to express deeper meanings. The novels also had open endings. The stories in the modern novels may end without a clear resolution. Experimentation also played an important part in the modern novel. The writers use innovative styles and narrative techniques. Now let us take a look at the major themes, major modern novelists, and famous modern novels. So as I said before, identity and self-discovery is one of the major themes of the modern novels. Then we have isolation and alienation, time and memory, love and relationships, war and its consequences, social change, and the search for meaning in life. These are all major subject matters or themes of the modern novels. Examples of important modern novelists include James Joyce, Virginia Woolf, D.H. Lawrence, E.M. Forster, Joseph Conrad, Franz Kafka, William Faulkner, Ernest Hemingway. Now some examples of the modern novels, the famous ones include Ulysses, Mrs. Dalloway, To the Lighthouse, A Passage to India, The Sound and the Fury, The Sun Also Rises, Sons and Lovers, The Trial. Why is the modern novel important? The modern novel is important because it revolutionized the art of fiction. It introduced new narrative techniques such as the stream of consciousness technique. It also explored the complexity of human psychology. The modern novel also reflected the uncertainties and challenges of the modern world. Also, the modern novel influenced generations of writers across the globe. With these words, I would like to end today's video here. I do hope that you got a clear understanding of the modern novel. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today, friends. Take care. Bye.